If you prefer natural beauty products, try out any of our 6 DIY lip balm recipes. We've got you covered. The first one needs a bit of your time and patience. We'll need shaved beeswax. Melt it. Add cocoa butter and some food coloring. Keep stirring from now on. Pour the liquid into a cup. Add petroleum jelly, coconut oil, and several drops of grapefruit essential oil. Screw out a lip balm tube against the stop and start filling the cup with the balm. Wait until the first portion sets. Screw in the tube to add more balm. Fill the tube cup and leave it to cool. Now, let's decorate the tube cap. Paint it white. Draw a line to separate the cap in half. Apply white glue to the top. Cover it with glitter. Draw another line a bit lower. Apply the glue to the strip. Sprinkle with the glitter of the contrasting color. Continue decorating. The tube cap is glowing and eye-catching. The healing lip balm in a glamorous tube will perfectly take care of your lips as it is made with natural ingredients. Another balm we'll make is of a bold color with glitter. We'll need coconut oil, petroleum jelly, and grapefruit essential oil. Put the cup with the ingredients into a bowl where you pour hot water. Melt the cocoa butter. Add other ingredients. The natural lip balm is ready. Put lipstick shavings in for a tint. Heat it up to melt. Pour into the balm. Add the glitter. If you do, don't lick the lips and remove the gloss before going to sleep. Pour the gloss into a container. The glittering gold gloss will be just right for your evening makeup. The next recipe is similar to the previous one, but we'll show you another way of creating tints. Add the petroleum jelly into the cup with the gloss remains. Put in the coconut oil. Add pink eyeshadows. Stir well until liquid. Pour into the pot and leave to set. Add the shadows of another tint to make one more layer. Add the glitter. Pour on top of the set gloss. Let's decorate the pot. Attach masking tape. Paint the top white. Apply white glue to the sides. Cover with the glitter. Hot glue a rose embellishment to the top. Remove the tape. This awesome lip gloss would be great for a baby shower or some other girl's party. Let's use a balm tube to get a lipstick of your own design. Start with the tube, decorating this time. Cover the A shell with the masking tape. Paint the base white. Now, add some color. And another hue. Let's craft the gloss. Melt the cocoa butter together with the lipstick shavings. Add the beeswax and the glitter. Pour the liquid into the tube cup. You can change the glitter color while filling the tube. It's not only a lipstick, but a smart accessory in your handbag. Another eye-catching lip gloss could be a decor item on your dressing table. Pour hot water into a bowl and put in a glass jar. Put the ingredients in the jar: cocoa butter, olive or sunflower oil, coconut oil, and add the pearl eyeshadows for a tint. Stir well. Pour into the pot and cool. Let's make a couple more tints. The recipe is the same except the color. For a better set, add some more beeswax. Add another layer. And one more. Decorate the top of the jar. This glowing striped gloss will keep your lips moisturized. And at last, try the easiest lip balm recipe that's ever existed. Mix petroleum jelly and castor oil in equal proportions. Add the eyeshadows. Put the lip balm into the container. This recipe will protect your lips from being chapped in cold weather. The main advantage of homemade beauty products is that you choose the ingredients and tints, and thus you are sure the product you crafted is 100% skin-friendly. We hope you enjoyed the recipes we proposed. Hit the like button if you liked the ideas. Feel free to leave your comments and be sure to subscribe to our Troom Troom channel to see new tutorials to meet any taste.